Hello everyone, in today's video let's talk about the best support settings for your 3D prints in PrusaSlicer. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to this category, and from here you then want to click on this specific icon. In most cases it's going to be set to beginner mode, normal mode, and then you want to select the export mode in order to use all of the settings in PrusaSlicer. Inside this page, just click on the support button, and then you have three options to choose from: the support on build plate only, for support enforcers only, and everywhere. In my case, I'm going to be selecting the second option. And if you want to edit out your supports, we could definitely do so by simply clicking on your model. In here, you then want to press on this specific button. It's going to be paint on supports. And then inside this page, we have two functions, which is to add supports and block supports from appearing on our model. So in my case, I'm going to add some supports onto the model right here. It's going to be onto the wings and of course onto the tail itself. Now, if you want to use the other function, which is going to be the support blocker, you can just press right click on your mouse, and from there it will then apply this red paint onto our model, disabling supports onto this specific part of the area. Now, since this is the face of my model, I want to avoid putting supports right here. Now we have also other options to add it from. For example, we have the automatic painting. If you want to enable that, you have your tool type, you have the brush, shape, and more. So from there, we are simply good to go. If you click on the slice now option, it should go ahead and implement the support setting that we have applied onto our model. As you can see, it totally avoids this specific area because of the support blockers. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.